Hello folks, welcome to the fourth issue of Railway Portraits. The first item of our magazine is about E436, the French locos working in Italy since 10 years. We do not talk only about Italy, and so you can find in the second article an interesting text about CP 1900, the freight Portuguese locos. The third item is about one of the most beautiful lines in Italy, the one linking Terni to Sulmona in the center of Italy. Then we want to show you that interesting shoots can be taken even when the weather is hostile. After this, we jump in Belgium to talk about the recently withdrawn locos. Marvelous landscapes and great trains are guaranteed. After a glimpse to trains and architecture, we experiment a new topic, trams in the eternal city of Rome, a must-see. So, if you are interested in good pictures of trains and trams, of course, buy this issue on our website www.railwayportraits.com. For any further information, do not hesitate to contact us at info@railwayportraits.com